Hello friends, this is Chaudhary. This is the screencasting of our 9th lab that is enabling autoscaling to handle spikes and turfs in our cloud services project. Let me start with basics of AWS autoscaling. Now first, what is autoscaling? Autoscaling is an Amazon cloud computing service feature which will automatically add or remove computer resources depending upon the actual usage. After completion of this video, you will be able to understand the basic concepts of autoscaling in Amazon Web Services. To activate autoscaling, we have to enter into our AWS Management Console. Then we click on EC2 Services. Then EC2 Console Management page will open. On the left pane, that is in EC2 Dashboard, go to Autoscaling Groups and click on it. A new page will be loaded. In that, click on Create Autoscaling Group. In the next step, select New Launch Configuration Radio button and hit on Next Step. Then a new window will be opened and select My AMIs. In that, select DynoStore Web Server AMI. In the next page, select Instant Type as T2 Micro and hit on Configuration Details. In the Configuration Details page of Launch Configuration, I had named it as Demo Scale Web besides my name tab, and I selected Web Server role in IAM role and hit on Add Storage. Don't modify any default settings in Add Storage page, simply click on Next. The next page will be Configure Security Group. Select existing security group and choose Web RDP group, then click Review. Here we can view all which I had created and click on Create Launch Configuration button. And in this page, we have to select an existing key pair as PV key which I downloaded earlier and hit on Launch Configuration. Now we will be redirected to Create Autoscaling Group page. Here I named my autoscaling group as Demo Scale Web ASG. In the group size, I had selected 2 instances. Coming to the subnet section, I had selected all the 3 subnets and click on Advanced Details. In this, select Receive Traffic from Elastic Load Balancer. I had just tick on Receive Traffic from Elastic Load Balancer and I had selected DynoStore LB. After that, in Health Check type, select ELB radio button and click on Configure Scaling Policies. In this page, we have to change nothing, just keep the group as its initial size and click on Next. Leave this notifications page and click on Configure Tags. In Configuration Tags, I had named it as ASG Web Server and clicked on Review. After that, here in Review we can see all the details I had given and click Create Autoscaling Group. You can see that Autoscaling Group is successfully created. Now close it. Now go back to Dashboard and go to Instances. Now you can see 2 new autoscaling instances are initializing. When it are turned into running state, that means they are working. Go to Load Balancer and you can see newly created instances are in service. Now copy the public DNS of Load Balancer and paste that URL in browser. Make sure you added your application name followed by slash. As 4 instances are running, including the 2 newly created auto instances in this lab. When we try to refresh our web page, we can see the traffic is distributed between 4 different IPs. Now I terminated the new 2 instances which we created in this lab. See, now only 2 instances are remaining. I am going back to my web page and I am trying to refresh my web page again. Now you can see it only shows 2 IP addresses, which mean load is distributed between 2 old instances. When I came back to instances, interestingly, again we can see 2 auto-scaling instances are automatically created. That shows that auto-scaling is perfectly working. Once the instances are changed into running state, the website traffic will be again distributed between 4 instances. That's all for this lab. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.